Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can use emSigner. emSigner is an digital signature app where you can use emSigner in all these industries like healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, banking and financial services for your digital signature use case. They don't not only do digital signature, it is more than that. There are a lot of features which is being used by multiple tech giants like Infosys, Amazon and PayPal. So you can actually automate all your process using emSigner digital signature app. So now let me show you how you can integrate emSigner inside KonnectzIT. To do that, just search for emSigner in the apps page. Click on the app and click on add account. This will ask you for the app name and secret key, which you will get it from the emSigner app. So you have to enter the app name and the secret key. So this will, and click on yes and continue. So this will going to authorize your app inside KonnectzIT. So once you authorize your account, so we can able to build the workflow. Let me show you how we can build a workflow using emSigner. I'm going to name my connect as emSigner, so where I will be taking WhatsApp as my trigger. So when somebody message me through WhatsApp, I'm going to take that as trigger. You can use any other triggers like your chatbots or your email, like email passers where somebody sends an email, so you can use that as a trigger point. So inside KonnectzIT, so I'm going to show you how, if somebody sends an WhatsApp message, how I will initiate the document and notify my team about generate a document inside emSigner and also notify my team in Slack. I'm going to show this particular use case. So let me select the trigger, copy the webhook URL, and based on the instructions given here, so I'm going to paste webhook URL inside WhatsApp. So just place the webhook URL and name your verification token, and before clicking on verify and save, make sure you capture the response. So once you place the webhook URL in WhatsApp, so you can capture the response by sending a message. So I'm going to send a message as send an agreement for signing. So this will going to capture inside KonnectzIT. So you can see that the response has been captured, which will be present over here, and it also captured the number and the message. So you can see the same message and the number has been captured. So now we will use emSigner to generate an document. So search for emSigner, just drag and drop the app, and you have to select your account and choose the action. So I'm going to do an initiate signing action over here. So just add the request from the phone number and also give the same thing to the reference number. So you have to give your email ID and the name which we used in emSigner, and also give the document name. So I'm going to name this as KonnectzIT demo, and now we have to give the URL. Just copy the URL. You can also give the file data, which if you are having file data directly you can give that, or you can just give the URL. So KonnectzIT will convert that into the respective format which emSigner is required. So once you click on test and review, it will give you the response in this plus icon. It will give you the link where you can share it with your team and members, so wherever it is necessary. So let me go ahead and share it with the team in the Slack. So before that I will just use text formatter to create. So I'm going to use text formatter to create a message. So using this URL, so just tell the team a new agreement as initiated, please approve the same, and then add the response over here which we got it from emSigner. This is an inbuilt app of KonnectzIT used for creating a message or like merging the text. So now I'm going to send Slack message. So just drag and drop Slack and then select your account and then select the action. So I'm going to select the action as send channel message and just give the message directly which we got it from emSigner and text formatter, and make sure you copy the Slack channel name and paste it inside the channel column and hit on test and review. This will going to send a message like this. So you can see that it actually says team, a new agreement has been initiated, please approve the same. So you can go ahead and click on this. It will ask you for someone to sign the agreement. So you can see this. So now your team can actually initiate the signature. So add the signatory over here. So just by selecting the signatory and adding them over here and click on send. So this will going to create a document has been sent successfully. So this is how we can actually finish the workflow, basically sending an initiation. So from now onwards, if I send any message on WhatsApp, automatically so the agreement will be sent to my email. So you can see this, I just received an agreement. So you can see there is a document pending for me. So you can see that I can preview and I can just sign it. So I got an email. So now let me go ahead and send one more WhatsApp message like this. Send me another agreement. So basically when I did this, automatically I will get the same thing in my Slack. So you can see, so there is a new message as came. So I can go ahead here and then just add a signatory and drag and drop over here and click on send. So basically when I did all these things, so I'll be receiving an email. So you can see, so there will be a document which is received and I can preview for signing this document. So this is how I can sign this document, and it will go into, you can see here, so I can click on here and sign and finish. I can select my name and apply and preview, and I can just click on sign and finish. So this will go into sign the document completely. So this is how you can use emSignature and KonnectzIT to sign the, send the document to your users. So now in my next video, I'll be showing you what will happen once you give the signature, once you send the document for signature to the user, how you capture the document and send them a notification. I'll show you that in my next video. Thank you.